Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a Honda CR-V EX. This one's a 2018. Underneath the hood is a 1.4 4-cylinder pushing out 180 horsepower. This one is black on the exterior. For the wheels, we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black cloth interior, sunroof. Come around back, CR-V, all-wheel drive badging. Opening up the tailgate, got a clean set of floor mats, all season and regular. Cargo cover, fold-down rear seats. This one does come with a blind spot assist. Wood trim, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, push-start ignition, rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission. The CR-V has 16,814 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda CR-V EX, check out feldmannimports.com.